welcome to All About. Today we are using BG49, and I think the shock is gonna be on the underpainting this time. We're gonna use a red to underpaint BG49. It gives it a, I want to say botanical, natural, organic. That's the word I was looking for. Organic look. And you can see a little bit of the hints of the red, and it's just beautiful under it. And the truth is, BG49, beautiful, beautiful color. All the colors are beautiful, but there's some that I just like so much. This today, we are not going rebels. We are going normal. We don't have to be rebels every single week. So, for the natural family combination, we are using BG49, BG45, BG13 because there's nothing under BG45. So I chose one that I will kind of match. Anyway, the bonus combination is BG49, 34, and 32. I wanted you to see how, again, you don't have to have all the markers. You can still get something similar to what you saw in a magazine or in a tutorial or something. You can get something similar with different markers if you don't have all of them. We're underpainting with R43, and this time we are using 2 Prismacolor pencils for our combination. And let me show you. Isn't this beautiful? I love this butterfly. Oh, right there. There. Anyway, this butterfly I am going to color. I'm gonna make a video so you can see how I colored it with the same colors. I want you to see how I push in some parts, like, sorry, is this the other way? How I push right there, and how I pull over here. I should practice this. How I pull right there. So things look like they're in the back or they're in the front. So that's underpainting, and that push and pull will be overpainting. We do that with Prismacolor pencils. Well, with any pencils, but I use Prismacolor pencils. Anyway, I'm Elena with violetaink.com, and we sell, I should know what I sell. Prismacolor pencils, refills, Copic refills, Copic sketch markers, nibs, and that is it. Thank you. We are going to start with BG49. I am flicking away from the side. On top of it, we have BG45. I am swishing here a little bit. And we're going to finish it with BG13. It is a bit on the green more than the blue, but there's no BG43. This is R43. That's what we are underpainting with. On top of it, we're going with BG49. Don't go too fast on this one. I already tried them and they work together, but let's make sure we have enough ink. This is BG13. I have so many BGs in my desk right now that I'm looking around to make sure that I do have the correct one. Now the bonus combination, it's underpainting with R43. On top of it, we're gonna use BG49, and we're gonna go a little bit to the green side with BG34. And then on top of it, BG32. It takes a little bit for it to blend, but it will blend. As you can see on the little butterfly on the right top corner, that is the combination that I use. R43, BG49, BG34, and BG32. Now, for the Prismacolor pencil match, we are using two pencils. One is PC1006 Parrot Green. And then on top of it, we're going to use PC905, which is aquamarine. I wanted the base of the green. That's why I'm using the parrot green. But it needed, of course, the blue. Now the staining test is just going to move it around. We're going to start with the butterfly. This is the natural family combination. On the top left wing, we always color without underpainting. So I build the fence, and then I'm flicking away from the fence with BG49. That is my fast flick. This is my medium flick. This is BG45. We are depositing more ink, so the blending starts happening. That was a bad flick, the last one. This is BG13. I am back flicking or back blending, I guess. I didn't want to erase too much of my BG49. Now this is gonna be R43. We're flicking away from where I think will be the best place to be underpainted. And this is BG49. On top of it is BG45. And we're gonna finish it with BG13. Very carefully, since it's so small. And the right side of the butterfly, the right wings, on the top one we're going to do without underpainting. This is BG49, flicking away from the edge. On top of it, BG34. Now you can see more of the vibrant green that is BG34. And on top of it, this is gonna be the slowest, BG32. The slowest you are flicking away, your marker is going to deposit more ink. That means better blend. This is R43. On top of it is BG49. We're flicking away from the edge. BG34. And we're finishing it with BG32. And this is all about BG49. The natural family combination is BG49, BG45, and BG13. Underpainting with R43. Bonus combination is with BG49, BG34, and BG32. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you next week. Bye.